Hello everyone. So in this lecture we will see correlation using MS Excel. So we have this case. In this case we have month and second column is sales in thousands, and next thing is customer satisfaction which is based on rating 1 to 10, and third is defective number of products. And we need to find first thing. This first thing is use MS Excel to calculate correlation coefficient between sales and customer satisfaction. So you need to find correlation coefficient between this first column and this second column. So what we need to do, we will go to this data option, click on that. Then on clicking on that, we will see this data analysis option. Double click on this and then you will see this correlation. You will see this block, this window, and in this window there are multiple options. So in this one option is this correlation. We will click on this correlation option. Then you will see this window, and then in first input range means we will select data of X column and Y column. Just like this sales column is considered as X, this Y column is considered as customer satisfaction. So we will select these two column. So selection of these two column, this is considered as input range, and these are based on columns. So we will click on column, otherwise we will click on rows. Now the next option is label in the first row. As we are selecting these column headings also, so we will click on this label. Otherwise, if we are taking data from this 50 or from this 7, we will not consider this as label. So we will click on that because we are selecting these headings also. And if you need to find result of this correlation analysis on the same worksheet, same sheet, so we will click on this output range, and then we will click on this block and we will select a block where we need to find your answer. So click in this block and then finally we will click on this OK button. So you will see this result of correlation analysis. Now you will see this first one. This one is correlation between sales and sales, because both the variables are same and correlation is 1. In this location, both the variables customer satisfaction and customer satisfaction both are same, that's why correlation is 1. Now the main thing is correlation between sales and customer satisfaction, which is 0.544. So this is the first part of the question. Use Excel to calculate correlation coefficient between sales and customer satisfaction. So this R equals to, we can write here, this R equals to customers correlation coefficient. So this 0.54. So this first part is R equals to 0.54. Now the next part, interpret the correlation coefficient. Does higher customer satisfaction appear to correlate with increased sales? Okay, so as there is positive correlation plus quantity, so we can say there is positive correlation between customer satisfaction and sales. If this means if the customer satisfaction increases, then sales also increases. That's why there is positive correlation. If both are in opposite direction, then we can say there is negative correlation. So interpret the correlation coefficient. So we can say this is a positive correlation between customer satisfaction and sales, between customer satisfaction and sales. And the third thing, based on the correlation, should the company focus more on improving customer satisfaction to boost sales? Explain your reason. So if we increase the customer satisfaction, then the sales also increased. So as there are positive correlation, the impact on sales of customer satisfaction is positive. So we need to work on improvement of customer satisfaction to boost sales. So this is the third part. So I hope you understand this concept. So please like this video and subscribe my channel Ganit Coach. Have a nice day.